Going back to the LCD screen, just a closer look on it. You can see there's an overload button on, or a light on the top right. You got the too hot temperature and too low temperature, so it does have some safety factors to it. And then it shows all the different ports associated with this power station, and it will put a box on it when that port is being used. So in the accessory box, there are three different chargers. One is, your standard wall outlet that will run to the power station and charge it. The other option we have is a car charger. So if you plug this into your car cigarette lighter, you can run a cable down to it as well and charge it. And then it does come with a cigarette adapter, so where you can plug in a solar panel, which is not included. So that is just another third option you can plug in as well. I don't have a solar panel to give you a demonstration of that, but you can simultaneously charge this in the three different ways. If you had all three, you can charge them in all three ways to charge it faster. The charging speed is roughly 5 hours for each of the ports. I don't know what the total time would be if you had all three plugged in at the same time. So another cool feature this power station has is the lighting. So there's an LED light that you turn on. The top will basically kind of flash different colors, kind of like an emergency strobe, if you will. And then on the rear is a LED light. So that will kind of just give you a little light if you need to like walk around on your campsite or something like that. Just an extra bonus light, which is a great addition.